We will be looking on notification configuration, and all those things related to the functionalities of the notification. You got or you studied for the notification and you want to ask something.
Yeah, for the notification, I have studied. Like you told us to check that what is service notification, what is difference between PM notification. That I have analyzed.
Okay.
So the PM notification is basically the notification which is for the preventive maintenance of a particular, let's say, a machine, as it is depreciating, or it is like kind of having a regular maintenance. So the notification is, and service maintenance is mainly used in a electron service maintenance, where the service from the customer is coming as a service request, and then like the it can be a request that coming from the customer to for servicing their ACs or refrigerator or any kind of product. So that can be a service notification. So PM notification goes for the maintenance of the plant, and same way they are using service notification to cater the service department for the finished product.
Okay. So that is very correct based on the definition wise, but the difference lies in here in the notification category. Okay. If the notification category is defined as 01, then it is a maintenance notification, and when the service notification is defined, then category will be 03. Okay, let's start with the configuration of this. See, this is the node: plant maintenance and customer services, maintenance and service processing, basic settings, and this is all in one node that we will discuss later. Okay, all in one node, which does not give you very clear view since the start. When you are expert in the creation of the notification, then you can use this one. Okay. However, for service notification in our system, SAP predefined notifications are S1, S2, and S3. So based on here, we have defined the notification category 03, notification origin. We can give it as a general notification. Actually, it should be given as general notification service.
Yes.
Reference time for the notification is always given as the malfunction start. Means when the problem has been started occurring in the object. This is the place where we provide the catalog profile. Assign a catalog profile in here. Okay. This is for the reporting. And how about the reporting will help us, and the PMIS reporting variants will be assigned here. Number range assignment is done here for 03 number range. See, this check is a bit important. If we take on this, then it will give you a early number assignment. The difference between the early number assignment and the number range later number assignment is when you create a notification. See, I have given this number, I have inputted the number notification, and we already have a notification number here. Okay, if we remove this check and then we will be creating this notification, then we will get the notification number only after saving. Okay, so this is the common difference here, the number range assignment and the later number range assignment. Hope this is clear. Any doubts on this notification type creation?
No.
Okay, if you want, you can create your own notification type here as well. Okay, so this is the only information that needs to be added here. Now we will be adding the screen templates. Here we want to provide what is the notification type where we are adding the screen. So these number of tabs and these number of items we get here. You can click on one by one and get the screens added. So what is this screen and what is this screen? These all are the standard screens provided, and these all are the customized screens where your ABAP team can create some of the screen numbers and can assign them. There is complete customization. If you want to make any of the tab inactive, then you can click on this tab active and inactive. Without deleting the tab, the complete tab will disappear. So here we have this number of fields. What can be used here?
Like this customization part I missed out. Can you just tell me one thing that where ABAP should add?
What part you missed?
Like you said, no, that the ABAP can customize this screen. This one, right? This screen, it can be customized.
Yeah, these are the screen numbers which can be customized by ABAP teams. Means they can create completely customized screens and can be added.
Got it.
Okay. Okay. So there are few more things in here, that when you are providing a new entry here, then there are few screens which are completely standard and no modification and no addition can be done on them, like that malfunction. Okay. See in the notification. Whenever you get on the malfunction, this is the only thing what you get and no another addition can be done here. So just like we see that the malfunction, okay? When we are on this malfunction tab here, that no screen area is being allowed.
Okay.
This is a standard, and in malfunction, no other screens can be added. Same goes with the location data. Same goes with other item tasks and activities. Just like see here, malfunction, location data, tab is active, none of the screen area is defined, and even it is not allowing to define. And if you want to have new sheet here, these all are the new tabs available. So when we are getting the tab number 20, all those tabs will work inside any header tab. This is for the long text control. If you want to add a long text in the notification, then you can activate that long line text change and long text format key as well. But this is not needed. Here you can find the number ranges and how the number ranges are being done. I have just created the notification number S4. Okay. You can see that the S4 notification number exists.
So here we need to assign the number ranges with notification types, right?
Yes. Now I have assigned the number range of S4 notification to same as S1, S2, and S3.
How you assigned it?
That is a pretty simple 1 minute. 1 minute. Let me not save it and see. This is the notification number what we have created, and we want to assign it to the service notification group. Okay. So we just click and double click here. It is assigned to service notification number range group now. This is the service notification. S4 is also a part of it now. Okay.
How the number range series is getting attached to it?
Okay. So the number range series is defined in here. And this has been done at the time when we are creating the object for the first time in our system. Later we can enhance the number range status and all those things.
Those are fine. I am saying that 09, how 0, suppose if I assign 09 with S4. So where that is happening, that is what I'm
09 with S4.
Because I want to have the ranges between ZZZ to ZZZ.
Okay, you can do that as well. Hence, you want to assign this service notification to what group? You want to assign it here?
Okay, that is yeah.
Okay, you can assign it here. It is just about the number range.
Oh, okay, it is just about if you double click then okay, fine, understood.
Okay, this has nothing to do with anything else. It is just about the number range.
Got it. That's if this screen is pretty, it's different than the number.
Yeah. 1 second. Yes. So you get to know how we use the number range?
Yes.
Okay. Are you all aware about the external number ranges as well?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Then it's okay. I actually, in my all the implementations, there are some projects where I have gone with the external number range, but we usually avoid and even ask business not to use the external number range. Or even if we use the external number range, then it is not available to handle manually by the users. Again, this is showing us how we can change of where we can change the notification types. Suppose we have created the notification for the notification S1 and we can change it to S2 depending on the configuration or depending on the type. This is only allowed when we have the same kind of configuration even on those things. Okay, let's try it if it is possible for
one point. This original notification, target notification. Can you just explain as maybe Mr. Target notification? What mean?
So this is the configuration where we are looking for changing S1 notification to S2 type notification. Original is from where you can change. Target is from what you can change.
Okay, to copy one from another. That is what you're
sort of. 1 second, let me check if this functionality is completely defined here or not, because this I checked and I saw missing point use in PRT. Okay, that I will check further. This is for the assignment of the notification directly to the order types. If you want a default order type to be created, at the time when we are processing the notification, then you can provide that values here. This is where you can assign notification shop papers, predefined notification shop papers, and you can go with the print of those data.
Like this 1500, this one, this is where we will add our smart form. So
Yes,
1500 is assigned to the notification type. Like where is the connection?
this is a shop paper number. Okay, so this is a shop paper number. This is the program name which is assigned against the shop paper.
No, that's fine. That I understood. But that's the driver program, right? So when we are going inside. So what I want to know is that how it is our system is understanding that okay, assign okay, next part. I got it. I got it.
So this is for the malfunction report we have assigned. Okay, standard shop paper which is available and providing you the details of malfunction start, malfunction end date, breakdown duration, and another informations for the malfunction. Okay, based on if we want activity report. 1 second, let me check if there is any another shop paper available. So these all are the papers which are defined and predefined and exist in the system. Okay. So you can have breakdown report and notification overview as well. 1030. Okay. I will assign this as. Okay. Now we have second shop paper as well. So we have provided only one data in here. That's why it is pushing us up to sold to party only. Okay, let me provide more data. To check this, you all have to practice all the notifications today.
This damage that you have added, what is this damage file?
I have manually added anything. I have just manually added backspace just to fill out the data. So following things have been included in the report. Salt to party, detailed position, and cause of damage. Nothing much. And if you want, you can create your own customize shop papers and then can assign here. Let me check if any of the other is available. 1500 service notification. Let's add this as well. So following is the notification details, what we can print it here.
That output device other than print preview PDF, any other is there? It's like email or faxing
That you can define in the
configuration.
configuration, and however this is responsibility for your basis team to add the default printer to your CVR parameters.
This one is LP01 means it's enter or in.
I'm not sure. I'm not sure what they have used this for.
This is the printer.
Basically, it could be a printer from somewhere. Okay. So this is a shop paper configuration everywhere for the notifications. Here this node is for defined printer. So everything is allowed. Okay. User status we will discuss some other time.
One thing, can you go to the notification print control once again?
Okay.
So, no, notification print control.
Print control.
Yeah. No, not there. I just want to find out that these shop papers and how this like okay in the shop papers we are going to assign this the object type, right? Where can we assign this driver program? No, just here we are assigning. Yeah, go to the first one. Here we are assigning this. This is
These all,
right.
These all are the shop papers already available in the system.
Now, if I create a new shop paper and if I have a new driver program, new smart form,
shop paper, then you can simply enter the shop paper number, program name, ABAP
okay,
name.
this is the program driver program. Okay, that is what I was just trying to get. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
User status, we will start if time permits. This is an incomplete configuration. I am explaining you, but this configuration cannot be completed as of now because the lot of data in logical system is missing. That's why it will not give you the correct values. Okay, I will still show you how these things work. This is known as object information key. Object information key for the notifications. Okay, we define SM as an object information key for the service notifications. The procedure for here is to, at the time of creation of notifications, to denote or to provide a list of to provide a number for how many notifications against this equipment or this functional location has already been registered, how many of them are closed, and how many of them are open. So to avoid creation of duplicate data. Okay. So that is the concept of object information key. Suppose when we are creating this notification, providing the same asset again, this is the initial screen of object no, object information key. Okay, this will show you the contract, the latest last created notifications and all those things. However, the number is still not coming because there is a configuration missing at the enterprise structure for SCM and finance. That is not easy to complete out. Once we have in the logical system, then the numbers will start appearing as well. So this is object information key. We can have data for 1 year, for 2 year, up to a maximum of 9,999 days old data. Okay. Only the logical thing here is the usefulness for this is to have how many notifications has already been reported for this object during the last period of time, how many notifications were created, and breakdowns are reported.
Okay.
Okay. Here, if you click on the outstanding notifications as well, then this will also start coming there. Here you can assign the object information keys to the notification types. Earlier we have created, now this is for the assignment. Yeah, this is for the assignment. Okay. Do you want to create a new notification type? Practice on this configuration?
Yes, yes. But one question, what we discussed, like the code group, that assignment of this, like the repair, that section within the item, those parts, can you show it one more time? Yesterday we discussed.
What part? Catalog groups assignment?
Catalog profile and the code group assignment.
Okay. See it here. Overview of notification type. Selecting this. Now this is still pending and it is important. This is the catalog and catalog profile. Here you can select what kind of catalogs you want here. Okay. Suppose I've selected this. This is where you can define what data and what catalog you want to define it here. Suppose you have created S, and if you wanted that S to be used in here for coding, then it can be used. Okay. But as I said that a standard is most preferred, then you can simply use D. So the whatever the data we set in coding, that appears in coding. Whatever the data we set in problems, we get that in overview of damage. Causes, tasks, effects, everything works in the same way.
So whatever data that we fine, understood. And one more thing, yes. Can you just go back?
Where same
No,
catalog?
go back. This is fine. This is understood. I want to ask something else.
Yes, please.
No, one thing, this partner determination procedure, this is required, right? Like this partner determination procedure approval.
I could not understand what is smart form determination or something.
No, this partner determination that is there in the overview.
So partner determination not yet checked. I haven't checked that. I will check if the configuration is or can be done. Okay, one more thing here. See, there are two things in here. First is the screen type header. Screen type header, when we are creating these for following types of notifications are possible in SAP system. Okay, we are working on header service notification and a screen type object. This is something which is again an important aspect. See, most of the projects use function, location, equipment, and assembly. This one. Some projects use equipment, serial number, and material number. So it's completely up to you or your project what is required. This is going to be a mandatory field going further when you are creating the notification in a very logical system. This is a test system. We have not made any field mandatory. Okay. If the concept of notification is to create a notification or complaint against any asset. Okay. So the asset could be function, location, equipment, serial number, all those things. And in that manner, your system can define or your business can define what all are the technical objects we have in our system and what can be used. So based on that, you can have these function, location, equipment, okay, or the screen object. Okay. Try creating your variant and someone please share your screen so that I
This
can also see
last
it.
one, this allow changes of notification, this is what change log.
Now that is changing from one notification type to another one.
Okay, okay, notification type to another. That is the one. Okay, status profile. Okay, this is an overview of what exactly is in the below, right?
Yes, this is a complete set where we have all the things. So partner determination procedure is also defined here, but we don't have any partners or things created, so I don't think so that will work.
So okay, we will start doing it. So let's start sharing our screen and start doing it.
Sure.
Who will share? Anybody from the team? Yeah, I'll share. Anybody can see my screen? Can you help me with the path? This customer notifications,
Go to maintenance and service processing.
maintenance, basic settings.
Yeah. Now go to maintenance and service notifications, internal notification
Over.
creation, into the notification creation. Okay, only one person at a time can do this. Go to notification creation. I will come out. Okay, here you can define the notification types and start your working. This is a configuration with lock entry, so only one person can do at a time.
I'm doing it right now, like S1 is there. So means I'll just add one.
I think Z1 already exists. Make it Z2, General Notification Service.
General
Service.
So this drop down, this is also having a configuration, right? This notification audience.
Yeah, these are the predefined values from SAP. However, there must be some place where you can define this.
Correct. That is what. Catalog profile. This is our catalog. What's the catalog ZZ? This one, right?
Yeah, yes, you can. Yes, you can provide the catalog profile here.
We put hourly numbers. Z2 I have created. Now I'm going to go to screens, right?
Okay.
Screens. Yeah, I'll continue, right?
Yes, you can enter the notification type here.
This is not required. Activity category.
Yes.
This activity category is not required.
Okay, press F4. See what is the values there. So you don't need to have anything.
Yes, yes.
Select out the tabs, whatever you are required.
So I will select what was
two tabs.
Which one?
Yeah, you should go for the notification one and additional data one, then malfunction, then location.
Here it is allowing me one tab. So okay, and then I'll add the screens. Correct.
Yes, PMCS reference object is the important first one.
Which one?
First one, 005.
Yes.
And this is important. So what you can do is you can take a reference from the existing notification. On a new screen, you can again enter into the disk configuration in display mode and check that. That will give you a more glimpse of what I am telling you.
We're going to take all options. So we can simply copy, right? Instead of taking it one by one.
Okay.
Like here, because here I could see an option of copy here.
Double click on the tab and double click on the tab here. Okay. Yes. Go inside. Here you can see all the screen areas, whatever has been defined.
Okay, let's do that. But I can do this one. It will be easy. If I close this, or it will ask me to change the category. It is asking to specify a key walk area and highlighting this one.
Yes. So what category you have set? You have taken malfunction. I already said that there are few things or few where no data can be.
I have taken this
one. Okay, just take it again.
Yes. It is asking.
Okay, just check the work area activity category means try adding. Try adding.
Even it is asking. So I think these are.
One second, let me check with the tab 00. 1 second, let me check with the tab. Means this could be somewhere around for any general notification or something.
Okay, tab, not tab 00, it is tab 01. Sorry.
Yeah, then it is fine. See, there are somewhere around 98 or 97 type of notifications can be created or configured from this node. And I am not aware of all of them.
No, actually, I am interested to understand that what is this category and what is the connection between the tab and this category. If I could find this configuration anywhere, that's important.
Let me check the documentation from SAP perspective. Let's see if I find.
Yes, just meanwhile I'm doing this. So then just okay. Like how this tab is getting created. The basic question. This is okay. This is the screen and all. Okay, so I'm going to save this. Just one thing. Here doesn't have a creation button. Also. Okay, so Z2 has been done. Now let me just check the screen once that how it is affecting. The number ranges needs to be different. Yes. Can see number range notification. But my PM notification is not showing yet. Oh, sorry. Yeah, sorry. Service notification is showing. I can search from my one is not showing yet.
Okay, where it is showing?
No, this in this number name Z2 is not showing any. Oh,
It is
Z2,
showing.
yes. Got it. Yeah, yes, not SS. So I will go into what I need to do, double click on this.
No, not from here. Click on back, click on edit,
Yes.
edit icon.
And
Beside this. Yes.
this one
Change groups. Yes, this one. Okay. Click on Z2.
is asking to select a group. I will create, or this will create a group.
No. You not to create a group. Click on Z2. Select Z2. Select and change. Click. Yeah. 1 second. Click on the button beside create structure. Yes. Now select.
Which one did you select? This one, na? Service notification. Yes. Here it is showing no partner determination procedure is assigned to the object.
Okay.
So I have to complete the configuration.
Still, there is a lot of configuration missing for that. Go to the overview of notification. You will find out.
Yes. Okay, I have done till set the screen. Okay, the screen is been set. After that, we will go to this define notification, define the number ranges of notification. That is also been done. And now, what will be the next step? Set the field selection of notification.
No, don't do that. Click on the overview of notification type. Select a notification and go to every field. See, this is missing. You have to assign the header.
This one, right?
Second, header service notification. You are creating service notification. Screen type object. You can use first one.
Equipment first one. Then I'll go to structure. This is required.
Yeah, go to every tab.
This already I have done. Right.
Okay.
So this is start loading. Okay, so I'll open S1 and I'll do it according to that. Right?
It's your wish. It's your configuration.
Yes. Said that you have not done anything. This partner profile where it is.
See, when we create a notification, actually we used to do copy paste. We copy the existing notification and put same as the new notification because most of the configuration goes always standard. Okay, only few things are something which is either in dynamic in nature or have some values or they make some value in the change.
No, that is fine. Like I just want to understand, like here, like if you can see, like in this partner functions approval. Okay, so here in my case, here if I'm just selecting what's it, sold to parties. Okay, so this determination procedure we need to know to understand this one because everything is assigned in this determination procedure.
Okay,
if I am
these all are pre-designed and predefined things. I haven't changed anything.
No, that is fine. I understand that you have not changed, but the thing is that I want to understand this configuration because if you see here, I have given determination representatives, okay? And here it is also departmental RESP. Then when I'm going here, RESP, it is showing me that the partner function entered is not defined in the determination procedure.
Okay.
So we need to know the determination procedure well before going to this step.
This is the field above in the partner determination procedure which you haven't filled.
Yes, that is what I'm saying. That is what I'm saying. That seems let's see, not allowed to say anything.
Go to S1 notification, new tab.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So partner determination procedure is S1. Please fill out that in your notification. Okay. So I'm saying that partner determination procedure is not defined here. Means the field is kept blank. Okay. In the partner determination procedure above, in that field, you need to put S1 value.
No, that I have given. That is what I was saying. I have assigned that. Just let me cancel this. I'm going again. Okay. This is what I've done. Priority I've done. Yeah, I put S1 here. Then I came to here. Then it is showing blank.
Come out of the configuration.
So that means there is some other thing that is missing.
Okay. Come out, I will check it.
We can see it from here. Can I go ahead with this?
Click on customer service. Back customer.
Here I have to add one, like copy service notification and do one.
Yes.
Now it has one person and all these things and partners and things. This. Okay. Now I think it will work. Oh, I'll assign the partner functions, which elimination to the notification types. I can start. This already. Okay. It's a data issue also. Why is it telling me that I'm lost? Oh, okay, sir. Okay, this procedure needs to be get assigned, right? It's X1. Okay. But this I can do it there only. In that what it is. This situation size 1. So this we can do there. That's why it is so still the S1 is not coming here because I have assigned this.
Okay.
Do I need to save this?
Yes.
Still it is not coming. We need to understand this configuration.
Somewhere the data has been missed. That could be a problem. Okay. Maybe some data has been missed somewhere. That's why it is not coming. Come out, I will check.
Yes. Okay, I came out. Can you share your screen? I will just then.
Okay.
I'll share my screen. I think we need to do it here only.
No, that is not the case.
Let's then. Yeah. Where you went? You went to partner functions only, right?
I have just one sec. Okay. Remove from here.
Yes, we use the partner. Yes, I will fix it.
See.
That's right. Maybe it was not saving because I was continuously shifting the string. That's it.
Yeah, that could be the problem.
Yeah.
See, working on the configuration is not a day task or not a hourly task. Okay. There are thousands of fields which you may miss every time. If you are currently an SD consultant, there could be many fields in your SD configuration or even in the document which may still not be used or explored or may not be informed. So over the period of time when you will be working on the QM and PM, then you will get to know more of that. Okay, so don't worry about that. I always suggest to new persons to focus on the business process apart from focusing on the because you will get the configuration document anywhere, but you will not get the business knowledge and about the business process. Okay.
Correct.
Hey, ZaranTech now offers SAP corporate training. That's right. Train your workforce in SAP with our comprehensive program. We offer customized courses, certified trainers, and hands-on labs for both individuals and businesses. Our standout features? Bespoke training, fully configured servers for practice, in-house materials, and a dedicated LMS. Plus, get session recordings and 24/7 support. From functional to technical modules, we have got it all. Choose ZaranTech for SAP training and watch your team excel. Learn, upskill, succeed with ZaranTech.
And don't take my words, otherwise it's okay. It's all up to you where you want to practice.
No, I was just getting used to with the flow. So I'm just trying to. My objective is trying to understand the controls, each and every controls which is getting. After that, it is the business process flow, like the code group control, like how it is. Because here, I think the most important thing is two things, like initial that header part, and then the screen, and then the code group, and also the partners. These are the few categories which I understood is most important. And I think below is the status profile. I think these four things are most important, right?
Yes.
This is what I've understood.
Yes.
Okay. So is there anything else that we need to do? Output now we need to do, right? Okay.
For the standard output, I will have to check from S1 only. No. The status profile, we haven't assigned anything yet. Means we have not created any, but there is something we can use that. This is strictly no. Response time monitoring, this is what we were talking about. That response profile does not have any tasks assigned. So this is the response profile. Okay. We're still yet to explore the configuration for the response profile. Response time monitoring, this is in general.
I was okay. You're doing something. I just want to check two things.
Okay, so this is not working in the configuration. That is a response profile. If I get time, I will check that.
Okay, and I want to see two parts. One is that object that you are showing, where you are saying that it is depend on FI. So that configuration, where was it?
Which one?
Actually,
Where should I go first? Tell me.
the object that you said that it will give the details, how many are being closed, how many are being maintained.
Okay, object information key. Yeah, this is the object information key.
Which one?
There we assign and there we define. This is how we define the object information key. What all the
In the
objects
partners.
no, not in the partner. This has no correlation with anything. This is just about
That is the part. That is what I'm just looking for to get inside. Can you go back one step?
okay.
One step back.
This is inside the notification processing. Notification creation, notification processing.
Creation process. And then object information, right? So
Node is
object information is used for this one. Like to here, which one we are using, PM or SM? SM, right?
Yeah, for customer services we are creating SM. For plant maintenance we are creating PM. However, there is no difference. This is just to segregate the orders and use in a manner.
This information object to object to okay. And where is the customer? And where is the output assignment? Which step? Which step is the output assignment? Shop floor.
In the screen, you are asking something?
Yeah, in the screen. Where is the config? Like assignment of the notification type with the output.
In print control?
Print control. Yeah. Okay, print control. Okay.
Okay. Are we okay with this? We should proceed with
just 1 minute. Service notification. Yeah, I'm okay. Now I have overall idea.
Okay, that's good. So we can proceed for creation of the notifications?
Yeah.
Okay, now take it as a task, create the notification, and if possible for you guys, create your sales document as well. For a reference, you can take this contract as reference. You can create your own contract or you can assign your equipment as well in this existing contract.
And one more thing that I just want to share before you just, I have found out something. So in this one, notification processing, okay. So this one is for your like sales order assignments, right? Yeah. Okay. So what is your contract type?
I'm not sure on this system. Let me check.
Like that, I want to bring that contract also so that I can add that.
WV. We have used WV service. WV.
WV. Is it correct?
Yes. Also check what is the value we have used here in for S1 or S2.
Okay. No, this is OR and this is S1 is SM01.
Okay.
That is this is the S1 work order, right?
Yes, this is the work order.
Okay, so I'll just do the same.
Yes, you can do the same or you can ignore this configuration. This is just providing you the default values. Okay, nothing else.
So basically what we understand from here is that this is the control where I can assign my order type and my service order type, right?
Yes. And this is the check mark you were asking yesterday for automatic contract determination.
Yes. So team, you can understand this. This is a very important auto contract determination. Okay. And then why separately it has given to assign it with this? What was this is for?
This is for the assignment of the order type for the notification type.
So we will do the assignment here or here. We can do anywhere, right? So we'll do it here, any of them, right?
Yes. If you do it there, then it will start appearing there as well. And
order type, it is only here.
Yes.
Contract type is only here.
You might have not saved.
No, I have not saved it. I've just checked it.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. What was the contract type? WV, right?
Yes.
And this one, SM01.
SM01. For initial SM01.
Okay. Is there any credit check or something? What is this for? Like it is manually.
You can check manual function.
Okay, automatic waiting. I'll just put it.
No, do not do for the credit group.
Okay.
Unnecessary errors will give.
Fine. I'm done.
Okay.
I have assigned the output control as well. Let me just see that if I'm able to, then team can test this. Yeah, now I can able to create. But here in my, I'll give the equipment. I'll give my equipment here. Okay, this is what I have done for the object. I'll keep continue here. All right.
Okay.
Functional location has been assigned to this. That's why it came. Now in the object item, I will going to select. Why it is not allowing? What's this? But this item and all those details are not coming. All those fields. Like I have
What
only
details?
few fields that are coming. So my assignments of those rest of the fields is not done properly.
Yes, those are not done.
So where can I go and check that? Now looking into it, which one? This will be a very good study. Now looking into it, if I go to the configuration, I will.
Overview of notification type.
Yeah. I'm going into overview. I can understand what this is.
Select it.
Yes.
Screen
So
structure.
it is
Screen
header.
structure.
This one, screen structure.
First, yeah, no, it's before that. Above, yeah.
This one,
In
right?
between, screen structure for, yeah, this one. Okay. Here, create a new tab, new entry.
New entry.
Yes. Now put a tab here. No, not there. Beside in the tab. Select it. Select for the malfunction. Okay. Enter. Save. Okay. Click on right side. A new tab will appear.
Click on right side.
Click on this
one.
Now in the new entry, where you see the new entry on the top.
New entry, it is not allowing me new entries.
Okay. See, this is a tab where you can see the delete option, change option. There are the arrows mentioned.
Okay.
Right. Make it right. New entries appeared. Okay.
Yes.
Create another tab. Click on the tab. F4. Go for location.
Okay. Like that. Okay. Understood.
Okay. Enter it. Again, press right. A location tab is created and added. Tab active. Click on the tab active for everything. Otherwise, the tab is created but will not be active.
Okay, understood.
Okay.
Location is there, malfunction is there. Then
you can use item, task, activities. One by one, use all those tabs. Tab active.
Okay, that's now the given me the question. Like I was asking that where the task, item, task, and activity separately is coming.
Yes.
Item, task. Now I'll save it.
Okay.
If I go back one by one. I'll choose done now. Okay, now let me see. Yes, now that's fine. So where can I get the partner one? Okay, this is the sales area data.
Yeah, if the data is maintained in the equipment, then it will get copied. If it is not maintained,
yeah, it got copied.
Okay. Hi, the other team members, please start creating the notifications as well in the backend. You go for general notification, go for S1, S2, S3, all of the notifications, and try creating those notifications. Assign user status, assign status, change status, release the notification, complete the notification, and complete and release the task as well. However, you can nominate anyone for creation and changing. Okay, please.
I have created a new contract. Now, how to assign contract with equipment?
You can go to the contract, select on the line item, and click on the technical extras button at the top, and there you can find the technical object.
Okay, so it will be always contract only, which will be assigned to equipment, or we can create sales orders or anything else, or any other like sales document.
We can see. This is all something where we are transferring our costs. You are an SD consultant?
Yeah.
Okay. So see, wherever we are doing some kind of maintenance in our orders, in our systems, we need to charge to the customer, or either we need not to charge to the customer, but we have to maintain our cost. So at the time when we are providing some warranties or something, then we used to charge to the contract. Okay. When we have some sales order in our picture, then we use sales order as well. Hope you are aware about the SDI settlement process. SDI settlement.
No, I have just heard of this term.
Okay, no worries. So this is all about the SDI settlement, where in the sales document field we use sales order, okay, or we can use sales contract as well. And the third thing is that is the non-revenue orders. In revenue orders, we do not use any such things. We directly create a sales order, means a debit memo request out of the service order.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes. Hope you are aware about the debit memo.
Yes, yeah.
Okay. So that we do here from the service order, which is known as resource related billing.
Okay.
Okay.
That's just like I'm having a bit confusion regarding this code group. Like here, I am assigning this object and I am assigning this Z code. Okay,
Yes.
clear?
Yes.
So
Yes.
here, now when I'm going separately with this, like say in activity, I am assigning this activity code group. I'm not able to find out the match, like the
Okay,
one
now
that
you are
we
not
have
able to.
created, ZZPCS.
Okay.
Here it is not shown. So where probably we are missing out.
Maybe I still could not understand your query.
My query is like in the code group, like you have, hold on. Here you have provided the catalog profile as ZZCTS. That's what we created, right?
Okay. Okay.
Now, if I go here it is first of all this object part is which object it is talking about. There is I can see an object part, and it is
That is the
also getting an
object.
option.
Go to the configuration.
Yes.
So here we have identified in the last object part B. Okay. So these are the
Okay,
object
B.
parts. Object parts, the parts which can be damaged in the asset. That could be the object parts.
Okay, object part. Just a minute.
Please, why are you changing this object parts or something?
No, I'm not changing any object part. I'm just checking. That's why I'm not at all changing. I'm just trying to understand the control. Okay, this object part is there, and then it is our coding. Coding is C.
Coding is C, D. We are coding.
Okay. Okay,
Only
D
damage
coding.
has a different. Only damage has a different name.
Okay. Pause is 5. Pause is okay. Okay, fine. Now coming here, what happened to again those fields?
Which one?
So say, wait. Just give me a because yes. Now suppose I can directly put it in the item, right? But first I have to put in this notification, otherwise it will not come. So just fine. So one question that wait, let me say something. Yes, okay. Z object. Fine. Object. And when it was creating. Okay, fine, I understood. Now it's clear. It's just missing out some data.
Okay.
Task is so basically these catalogs we are creating and we are assigning this to the catalog profile and we are just putting this catalog profile and it is just this one. Just fine, understood. Okay. Now one thing that I want to do, like here object profile, catalog profile. Now if I just select 003 center. Now here there will be one status, right? Like it will like the status as we have seen, right? Like
that is only for tasks.
Only for tasks.
Can I share my screen? I'm facing only
Yeah,
errors.
please share.
Yes.
While entering the sales document, pop-upping on error. Here I created the contract and I assigned it, but facing this error. This is
Okay. Provide the
document.
item number as well. Item number as well there in the next item number. Come 00000010. Yes, this one.
And then equipment which was created yearly that we can use here, right?
Yes, you have to use the equipment number first. And once you use that equipment number, then the sales document will get determined automatically if you have assigned that.
I didn't assign as of now in equipment.
No worries. Double click on the sales document. It will take you to the sales document. I will tell you where to assign. Okay, select this. Select the line item.
Okay.
Go to extras. In the top, extras, technical objects. In these technical objects, since there was no data, that's why it might not be opening. And in this place, you can assign. Okay. Inside that, you can assign the equipment number.
Okay.
Take a longer contract and validity date. You will be using the same contract in complete training.
Select the items.
Yeah, here you can enter the equipment number. Just enter the equipment number. That will work. Don't F4 here. It will take a large time. Yes, you can just directly input the equipment number.
Not remembering, I'll take the table.
So the status TSOS, that is the time of the creation, right? So
that is at the starting, which means outstanding task.
now when I'll save the notification, Can you just come again with the status once again? Yes, sir.
Okay,
I'm just
1 minute.
sharing. I'm sharing. Yes.
Okay, so the notification status for the task is TSOS. When the initial is, select this and press green flag, which means release. The task status will change to TSRL.
I'll save. Release and save, right?
No, just release first.
I released it.
No, you haven't. You have released the notification, not the task. Task releasing is below.
Oh, okay.
Here, down.
Okay.
Down.
Oh, sorry, sir. This one, right?
Now the task is released. The status has been changed to task release. And again, click on select this and click on complete the task. Then it will complete the task, and two status will change. Not that, beside that black flag. Okay, so two status has been changed here. Two status has been changed here. One is this is TSCO, and at the notification header you can see that there is a task which start appearing ATCO, all tasks completed. Okay, this means that all of the tasks against the notification has also been completed. Okay, now click on the black flag at the header. Click on the black flag at the header. Click on
this one, right?
Yes, enter the partner. Now your notification has been completed. Once you saved it, this will get completed. Yeah. So see, 1 second. This is the reference date and reference time which the notification is asking you. This reference date and reference time is automatically being taken from the system date and system time. But if you want, you can provide that in the past date, but cannot be future. This is trying to intimidate that the problem has been solved at this time. Okay.
Yes. I'll continue.
Yes. Go to the notification again. Same notification. Click on change. It will automatically take you to same notification. Enter. Now what happens if you want to open the notification again? You can click on in process. The notification is again in process now and all the tasks can be done. Go inside again. Okay, but the task what you have closed cannot be reopened.
Okay. Then again, we are after one more time again. I will going to release it, right?
Yes, you can do n number of times the closure and the opening, but release cannot be reversed. Once anything is released, that cannot be reversed anywhere. Okay.
So just tell me one thing. I have activated that sale order and all those. So this is not created.
No, this is not into the process. This is not into our process yet. So we will not be creating this sales order as of now. Okay.
So the configuration is that from there only, right?
The configuration is from there only. If you want, you can create sales order. No issues.
Okay. And the one that team is doing with the contract. So once we assign the equipment to the contract, it will going to appear here, right?
Correct.
Okay.
Do one thing.
And service order we assigned it. So service order will generate, right?
Yes, service order we will generate from our next session.
From the notification, right? With the reference of the notification, correct?
Yes, we will start creating the service order from our next session.
Code group, what we need to select in that?
You can
under
select
items, anything.
You can select anything. That depends on the business. See, the business process here says that when user has put a complaint, okay? When user has sent you a complaint, just sharing my screen, see it again. Suppose you have sent your mobile for repair, means for a customer care, then you were saying that screen is not working, okay? So the object could be screen. What is damaged means blue lines are appearing on the screen or screen is not complete coming. Anything can be damaged. So the person can write down that screen is damaged. What would be the cause? If you say that accidentally fall or automatically coming, so you can mention it as an accidentally fall and the screen is damaged. So what all are the items? Screen is damaged. Okay. What could be the cause? Screen is damaged due to an accident. What will be the task? Based on that, you can define a task that the screen needs to be repaired. Okay. Either the screen need to be replaced. Fine. You have provided two tasks here. Now, what will be the activities? If you want, you can define few activities like customer has to, means if it was in-house, then you can ask. If it was on-site visit, then technician can go to the home of the person and complete that. And after that completion, you can make one more activity here that finally check and verify the things. Okay, so in this way, these things are defined. Once tasks are created, then tasks are released and the task released as well as completed. No financial statement or no finance thing has been done inside the notification.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Then where we can see the service charge, that how much for the repairs, that and all, where we can see there.
No, I have just given this as an example here. We may be doing this, we may not be doing this, but we are not doing anything inside the notification which is chargeable to the customer or chargeable to the business. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
It
Maybe
will
it
be,
will be in service
yeah,
order.
yeah, it will always be in the service order. Even if we are talking about the repair and replace here, then also at the time of repair, okay, we will be creating a service order here. Okay. That is for the notification part. We have we have thought until there. That is the notification part. I have completed the notification because I have not yet explained the service order.
Okay.
Task will get completed only we have things done here that we have not used these services here yet. Service order. Once we are in the service order, we will start working in a different way into the notification. But understand that is a business process.
Okay.
Okay, fine. So do one thing, find out the change documents in the notification. Where are the change documents and how you can check those change documents.
Okay.
Yeah, one thing you all asked me how to use the measuring point in the task list.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So the measuring points can be added in the task list after the assignment of technical object in here. And the technical object should be in hierarchy as well. Okay. Once you assign that equipment here, and then you can assign the same kind of PRT or the same kind of measuring point there in the system.
Okay.
And if it was not a hierarchy, then it will give you a warning message that equipment is not on the superior object. But still, I haven't used anywhere this PRT kind of thing for measuring point and equipments. It will always be the materials and the DMS documents. Always be the two things, or the most probably materials and DMS documents. So from here, we will be creating the service order. So this is the button you can create the service order. There are multiple transactions like IW31 for the creation of service order. I have randomly taken a notification. So based on the configuration, it is suggesting me to create SM01. If I want, I can reverse that.
Yes.
Now this has given me object information key for the service orders, and this is our order has been created. Okay, this is the service product. We may have not defined anything there. That's why the service product is not came into the picture. Here you can have the operations. What is the work? So we have had the operation here. Control key SM01 came automatically. Components, costs. As the order is created, currently we do not have anything here. Partners, if there was anything that could be coming directly from the notification, first it will flow from the equipment to notification, then notification to order. This is the object list, the number of equipments or the equipment, additional data, location information, planning information, and control data. So we have got the order created. So why we have a service product here? Suppose at the time when we are providing the services, then we we have the service products assigned to these orders. 1 second, I upload the state to. I was just working in a notification, maybe this one. Okay, so what I was trying to find could not find. Last try. Okay, so inside this order, we can have the notification number. We have PM activity types. This is the further bifurcation of the work order. Like you are creating all the work orders for one item, means you are creating one order type for most of the maintenance. And if you want a further bifurcation for a report level, at that time you can define the PM activity types, like for what this order has been created. Okay.
Yeah, okay. And I have added the task list also in the order that I could able to do.
Okay, that's good. You can add a task list here in the order. General task list, equipment task list, and function location task list, anything. Now I will explain you the concept of estimated cost, planned cost, and actual cost. Okay.
So just one question. Here we don't use notification. We are only going with the service order. So
Yes.
yeah, so the service order configuration is pretty much same as notification, right?
Now we will go to the service order configuration and it's pretty difficult and completely different from the notification.
Okay, fine. Then.
Okay.
Go ahead, please. Give me the overview of cost and we'll go to that. No problem.
Okay. In the service order configuration, only this screen can be changed. Okay. Except two fields, customer address and service. Rest everything will
Okay.
remain same every time. This is just for the differentiating between the service order and maintenance order. Okay, so there are three kind of costs which are majorly important in a service order. The first one is the estimated cost, the second one is the planned cost, and third one is the actual cost. At the time when you are proposing something to the business or to the user, that suppose you have a mobile damage and you ask for a repair, then what will be the estimated cost which has been told to you upfront over the call will be the estimated cost. Like someone can say that it will take 10,000 to fix this phone. Okay, so that will be the estimated cost that can be mentioned here or at the time of order creation. Okay, we have got this estimated cost field here. Once the order is released, then the estimated cost cannot be changed or added or edited. Any action cannot be done. Okay, we will go for the planned cost in the next screen. See, whatever the planning we have done here, we have added 2 work hours for the labor charges. We have mentioned 2 hours of the labor. Based on that, the cost is getting calculated there. Now, if I say that if I will be using this as a component here as well for the consumption, okay. So we have this much consumption here. How come 3 line items added? Okay, so we have added this material here. Let me save this first. So now the cost has been changed. Okay, internal activity has been changed. Overhead cost has been added. Don't know why the material cost is not added. 1 second. Maybe the GL account assignment has been changed by someone. Batch is not created. So here you can see that our planned cost is coming from the personal hours, the inventory, the materials. Okay. So these materials we are planning to consume. Okay. Based on those planning, the planned cost will start appearing in the order. It could be different from estimated cost. Planned cost will always appear and can be changed anytime. Okay. I hope you get this.
Yeah, I got it, but we need some more details. Maybe we need to exercise it.
Okay. So whatever you are planning to perform on any activity or on any services, that time all those costs, whatever you will plan in the order, will come into the tab planned cost. It's like how many work hours of the labor is required, how many materials are required, how many another cost heads, if there is any, are required. Then all those costs will come in the planning cost tabs. And actual cost after the consumption of the materials, after the labor time booking, the actual cost will start coming. It can be different from planned cost, it can be less from the planned cost, it can be higher from the planned cost. Because at the time of working, the technician, we have planned the technician will consume 2 to 3 work hours, but there are the reasons that technician has completed 4 to 5 hours. So that could be any case. Okay. So this is the concept of estimated cost, planned cost, and actual cost.
Yeah. Can you
However,
go to the operation tabs once? Can you go to the operation tabs once?
Yes.
It's here to the right. And I'm just sharing my screen.
Okay.
Let me know if you can see.
Yes.
So it has calculated 428. Okay. But when I'm coming to my cost, it is showing blank for me.
Okay.
So I have to put the estimated cost manually.
You can put the estimated cost manually. That is no big deal. Just go to operation.
Okay.
What is your work center?
This one.
Have you saved the order once? Now check the cost. If does not come, then there must be some error in the maintenance work center.
I have to save it.
Okay. you.